Now we're going to animate the photos that you have selected into your storyboard. You're going to start with your first picture, have your cursor clicked on it so you can actually see the image that you're working with. Click Event Pan Crop. Before you animate, make sure that you change the aspect ratio to 16:9. You don't want to animate and then change the aspect ratio after, because it won't make it change. So notice how there's a smaller box making it a 16:9 aspect ratio. You can adjust it up or down so that you get the best image possible. And now we're going to create a keyframe. It naturally defaults with one keyframe at the beginning. We want to add a keyframe at the end, then change something about the picture from beginning to end. You may have to rewatch this video to understand how to do this process. Just leave the first keyframe in place, go down to the bottom, and select last keyframe. Make sure that your cursor moved to the end of the scene. Click on Create Keyframe. So now you have two keyframes, one at the beginning, one at the end, and then you're going to change something about the image. So I'm going to zoom in on the image, zooming in on the dog's head, and then if you get out of here, you'll notice that it's animated, and it's zooming in on the dog. This creates a visual effect. So it's zooming in, and then you're going to go to the next picture and do the same thing. So here's a review. Go to Event Pan Crop, change it to 16:9. It's filling up the frame. Click on the last keyframe button, create a keyframe, zoom in, and zoom in on what you want to see in the picture. Close and watch it. You can see how it's animated. Do all of your photos and then add music.